She's on one, Tony. Whoa. Good girls, wait. Whoa. You can creep up there with them, Tony, and flush it. Just stay on them. Whoa. Oh, yeah, that's it. It's a rooster. It's coming this way, Fred. Get ready. It's about to go here. Try to kick it up. Catch up to it, Sean. It's gonna keep you running. Nice. Good girl, right here. Here. Good girl. Oh man.
I thought perfect. Boom.
There you go.
Yeah.
Well, it had to come through 4 of us.
I said I thought perfect. Boom.
Good girl, Bretta. Stop. Good girl, Kona. Right here. Kona, give. Kona, give. Hey. Kona. Good girl. Good girl. Wait. No, bro. What's that? No, I was just trying to get the dang thing in there. Vest's a little tight. Shooting, boys. We haven't missed a rooster yet, knock on wood.